Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the worksheet open, so begin by clicking the problematic cell and reading the formula bar to see each reference. Notice whether references point to the right sheet and range. Mistyped sheet names cause #ref. Once done, confirm Excel is an automatic calculation because manual mode hides update issues. Also glance at nearby helper cells to ensure inputs are numeric, not text, since numbers as text will break arithmetic. These quick checks steer you to the exact next correction step. Now dig into the formula mechanics by running Evaluate Formula. It walks you through each operation and reveals where a value is unexpected. While you watch, pay attention to relative versus absolute addressing, press F4 to cycle $signs, and lock or free rows and columns, because copying errors often originate there. Also verify named ranges point where you think they do, and ensure reference cells contain the right data type, since text in a numeric calculation will force errors or zero results. Finish by correcting the identified token, whether a wrong operator, missing parenthesis, or bad reference. Press Enter and force a recalc with F9 to confirm results. If the formula may encounter divide by zero or missing data, wrap it in IFER to return a sensible fallback and avoid ugly errors. If the problem persists, rebuild the formula piece by piece in a blank cell to isolate the failing part. If nothing fixes it, clear formats and re-enter inputs to rule out hidden characters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.